Well, if you are opening ArchiCAD for the first time, this video is meant for you. In the next few minutes, I'll draw a complete floor plan from scratch, step by step. Well, let's start simple. Step 1. Set your units. To do that, navigate to Options, Project Preference, Working Unit. Set your units to meters, 2 decimal places. Once done, click OK. Congratulations, you just set your unit. Step number 2. Walls. Now let's draw the walls. Just one room, nothing complex. We keep it simple. To do that, double click on walls, select geometry and positioning. Select simple basic wall. Set the thickness of your wall, for my case 0.15 meters. Once done, click OK. Navigate upward to wall geometry and select rectangular. Click on a single point and type in 5.15 meters. Press Tab on your keyboard and type the second distance, 5.15 meters. Press Enter. Congratulations! If you just drew your first wall, shout power in the comment and give a thumbs up. Amazing! That takes us to step number 3. Doors. To place doors, navigate to Design, down to Doors. Double click on Doors. Under Preview and Positioning, you're going to set the width of the door, the height of the door, and the seal height from the ground. Once done, click OK. Then navigate to your design and place the door. You now have to bring in light. Step 4. Windows. Well, navigate to Design, double click on Windows, then select Preview and Positioning. Type in the width of your window this way, the height of the window, and the seal story, the window from ground level. Click OK. Then position your window. Well, you successfully brought in light into your building. Let's make it a living space. That takes us to step 5. Place furnitures. Navigate to Design, double click on Objects. On the search library, type in bed. Select from this variety. You can place your bed this way. Then place and rotate. Double click on Object, type in wardrobe. Select from this variety and click OK. Okay, let's add a table and a chair to this room so that we can comfortably watch our movies, read our books on that. Well, to do that, double click on Objects, type in sofa, then select from the variety. Then place that then takes us to step number 6, slabs for our floors. So to do that, double click on slab, then set the slab to a basic slab, Then give it a thickness, probably 0.1. Once done, click OK and draw the slab. To do that, select first point and then last point. Well, this takes us to the last but not the least, the roof. To do that, you just have to navigate to Design, double click on Roof, set the roof pitch and any other thing which you are comfortable with. But with that done, click OK. Click the first point and then the last point and your roof has been placed. Well, how can you finish drawing a house plan without placing dimensions? That's terrible, right? So to do that, select on Walls, Ctrl A on your keyboard. Navigate to Documents, down to Annotations, Automatic Dimension, Exterior Dimension. Then select Core Faces, place on 4 sides. Okay. Click on point 1 and move towards the X direction. Then click on point 2 and move towards the Y direction. Well, congratulations. This is your first floor plan. And keeping it simple is very, very important. Well, if you want to take another step in the journey, I offer one-on-one guidance in ArchiCAD. You can contact me through my description and then we can do something great. See you on the other side, my friend.